Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, in 18th video actually, uh, we took up like topics about statements. What are statements in mathematical reasoning? I'm referring elements. That's chapter 11. So we understood what the statement mean in mathematics. It can be simple, it can be compound. Please refer to last video if you haven't seen that video. So a statement, what statement we consider in mathematics? Statement in mathematics which can be considered can either be true or false but cannot be both. So there is a condition in our daily life when we have some situations whether there is a definite true or definite false but not both. So I'm referring to those statements in mathematics and we'll study in depth about those statements. In the first exercise, you need to tell what are statements which can we take in mathematics or which can be considered in mathematics. Only those statements can be considered, those are true or false but not both. So exercise 11.1 you can do on the basis of statements. You just need to tell whether it's a statement or not. What is a statement that describes a situation whether it's true or false but not both? Like I'm referring to the seventh statement, the top one. Have you ever seen Taj Mahal? The seventh statement. This is a general talk. So this cannot be a statement. This is not a statement. Let's consider consider the example of the statement which we consider in the mathematics, not in the journal English. All integers are natural numbers. So it can be true or false. A statement can be true or false but not both. So all integers are natural numbers. It's false. Like negative integers are not natural numbers. So it has a definite false. So it is a statement. So on the basis of is it a statement or not, you can definitely do this exercise. And for the second exercise, we need to learn about more about basic logical connectives and such kind of things, how we represent in the mathematical form. So let's learn about that. Basic logical connectives. We'll be learning about more about basic logical connectives like and or, which can be used in a compound statements. To compound statement क्या है basically, जो मैंने last video में बताया था. Compound statement is a combination of two or more statement, like statement 1 plus statement 2. Fine. So statement 1 plus statement 2 can be added by and or. This is just a basic understanding, human understanding. Till then we can till now we can understand about and or, where they are used. Like for and, both the conditions have to be satisfied, need to be satisfied. For or, any of the conditions can work. So these two situations can work. We'll learn more about that, but you should understand like what's and what's or. Okay, so basically and is a conjunction, or is basically a disjunction. Fine. Like in mathematics, how we present any statement, like this is if this is a statement, 6 is both even and composite number. So we'll represent it by like this. Here we give the name of the statement like P and colon. Fine. So statements are represented in the form of this. P statement or means we are giving the naming convention. This is the naming convention. It's very easy chapter, just a theoretical chapter, a little more theoretical things are there. You just need to learn a little bit about like the basic things. We'll be learning about the basic things, not that much, but you should know the naming convention for these statements, like how we name the statements. Like you can give any other word, like you can give like A, B, but the convention will be the same. You need to put the small letter and the colon. Okay, so if I like P and Q, I can write this is a compound statement like statement 1 and statement 2. P and Q in mathematical we represent like this. This is the symbol for and. And P for P or Q. This is the symbol for or. So you need to learn these conventions. In this, first we learned about how to name a statement, then how we represent and or in mathematics. Like if I take an example, like P is 7 is greater than 3, Q is 2 is greater than 5. Fine. We have the naming convention for these statements. When we and, so this means these both statements have to be taken together with the and. Fine. Like now we'll be learning about the truth table for the conjunction. What are the truth tables? We'll understand in a very simple way. Truth table for the conjunction. Like if I talk about truth table about the conjunction is what? And is represented by this. So we'll be learning about the truth table for the conjunction. We are considering every case for that. Like this is true, this is true, this is false. If this is false, so what happens? In a very simple language, if I'll make you understand the point, I hope maybe someone may not be that much interested in English, or like may not be able to understand in English language. So I'll let you know about, like I'll explain in Hindi as well. First I'll teach you in English. Like if we have different situations, so there are total 4 of the possibilities which we are having. Like P and Q both can be true. P can be true, this can be false, P can be false, Q can be true, and both can be false. Until or unless both are true, the situation is not true. For the until or unless like both are true, the and is not true. By commonsensical, like if statement 1 and statement 2 is and together, this whole statement like S3, if I give name, can be true if both are true. So this is true, rest is false. Now I'll explain in Hindi what is happening here. क्या हो रहा है कि हम 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ ले रहे हैं कि दोनों ट्रू भी हो सकते हैं, एक ट्रू एक फॉल्स, एक फॉल्स एक ट्रू, दोनों फॉल्स भी हो सकते हैं. कब दोनों स्टेटमेंट जो हैं ट्रू होंगी? कब दोनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होंगी? जब आप देखो जो तीसरी स्टेटमेंट है, लाइक मैंने इसमें S3 नेम दिया, थर्ड स्टेटमेंट का नेम दिया S1 एंड S2, ये दोनों जब ट्रू होंगी तभी एक मेजर वैल्यू ट्रू होगी ना, क्योंकि एंड है. एंड का मतलब दोनों ट्रू होंगी तब ट्रू होंगी. बहुत लाइक अगर मैं एग्जांपल दूँ, लाइक अगर मैंने एग्जांपल लिया, रोजेज आर रेड एंड लिलीज आर वाइट, दोनों ट्रू होंगी तभी पूरी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होंगी, नहीं तो एक भी फॉल्स होगी। अगर इसमें से तो फॉल्स हो जाएगी। लाइक रोजेस आर रेड एंड लिलीज आर वाइट, ये वाली स्टेटमेंट, अगर ये वाली सिचुएशन ट्रू होगी एंड ये भी ट्रू होगी तब ये होल स्टेटमेंट ट्रू बनेगी, नहीं तो ये फॉल्स बनेगी। द स्काई इज ब्लू, द ग्रास इज ग्रीन, व्हाट इट मीन्स कि दोनों ही ट्रू होनी चाहिए। अगर दोनों ट्रू नहीं होती हैं सो दैट मीन्स ये होल स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं होगी। दिस इज़ व्हाट द ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर द कंजंक्शन स्टेट्स। अगर दोनों ट्रू होंगी तो ट्रू होगा, नहीं तो एक भी फॉल्स होगी तो फॉल्स हो जाएगा। बट दिस इज not the situation for the disjunction for the or. Like disjunction is the very formal word which we use for the or, so we'll be considering the truth table for the disjunction as well, but till now you can like revise till here what I meant to say. Like in the disjunction जो है और है, तो ट्रुथ टेबल जो है और की पी क्यू पी वी क्यू, ट्रुथ टेबल ये होती है फॉर डिस्जंक्शन। कैसे? और में क्या है, अगर एक भी ट्रू हो गया तो ट्रू आ जाएगा, अगर एक भी ट्रू हो गया, दोनों ट्रू हैं ट्रू, अगर एक भी ट्रू हो गया ट्रू, एक भी ट्रू हो गया ट्रू, दोनों फॉल्स हो गए फॉल्स। खुद सोच के देखो कि और में क्या, या तो ये सही हो जाए या ये सही हो जाए। दिस कैन बी ट्रू, आइदर दिस कैन बी ट्रू। फाइन, so we need to consider about the situation. If any situation is true, then the whole statement is true. If both are false, then the whole situation is false. Rest for the other cases, that's true. In this statement, we have learned conjunction, disjunction, the basic logical connectives so far. So we'll be learning about the negation. As far as the negation is concerned, the symbol is just like if we have statement 2 and if we want to negate the statement, we need to put this symbol before this. इसे बोलते हैं negation. negation होता क्या है? मैं एक बुक से एग्जाम्पल बहुत अच्छा लेना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि ऋषभ इज़ इंटेलिजेंट, ये हमारे पास ओरिजिनल स्टेटमेंट। अगर मैं इसका नेगेशन करना चाहूँ, नेगेशन ऑफ स्टेटमेंट पी, इट इज़ नॉट द केस दैट ऋषभ इज़ इंटेलिजेंट, इट इज़ फॉल्स दैट ऋषभ इज़ इंटेलिजेंट, या फिर सिंपली नॉट लगा दो, ऋषभ इज़ नॉट इंटेलिजेंट। जस्ट द ऑपोजिट, negation is just the opposite of the situation, and how we write it like this. Fine, so this is the mathematical language we are using. This is much more about the theoretical chapter in mathematics. This is theoretical chapter in mathematics, and we are learning about like theoretical things, and it's a very basic chapter. It's not that difficult. So if you are getting problem and or stuck anywhere, you can comment down in the section in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel for more updates, and please like this video if you like this video. And I am referring to, please make sure that I am referring to elements of applied mathematics, and most of the books, in case you are referring any other book, then most probably it will contain every section of the unit. So moreover, the content would be same. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.